All right, folks. I guess you know you're going slow enough when you find something like that. Right? I haven't touched it. It's been chewed on. It's either a bone or an antler. I don't know what it is, but I think that's an antler right there. So let's just see if I can just kind of reach down there and see what the heck it is. Oh, it's covered up. It's in the ground. Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Watch this. Watch this. I mean, are you kidding me? Look at the duff. Look at that. I spotted that sucker. I don't want to break it. Look at this. I spotted that by that. Look at this. I spotted that subbitch by that right there. I cannot friggin' believe it. Look at. Watch this. Ready? Ain't that friggin' something? Look at that. I wonder if I can find that other point. Wow. Difficult finds I'll ever see. Spotted it by that right there and pulled that out. Absolutely incredible.